2 weeks.
Good job, guys. Looks so good.
Let's get going. I think it's time. Approximately 4 o'clock. Let's get going.
Hey,
Can't wait for the time before
people who actually built the boat.
I'm gonna need a rowing lesson before I start. Give her a kick. Look, no water. Inside.
Good afternoon, my name is David Houston and I'm a member of the Heritage Boatyard Co-op. Currently, I'm the president. Today we're just finishing the Norwegian Pram building course put on by Andrew Rhodenizer. I had an awful lot of fun with this course. Working with the old tools, finding out where the wood was, all the wood that was supplied was sourced locally. I was a total rookie at this. Andrew had a good opportunity to explain where the trees came from. We had boards here from Martin's River and tools from his grandfather, which were fun to work with. And the sequence of events was really well done and matured. Every day we were doing something different. He gave us a schedule initially of what we'd be doing each day. Very patient man. His use of tools I find was really rewarding to see how to use things properly. People try to do things, they cookbook it, but when you see a pro doing it, it's completely different. It's really worthwhile. And I think now that we have enough confidence in ourselves that we can do this going forward on our own. Time will tell.
I should leave the dog out.